Feeling stuck on LinkedIn? You are not alone. Many professionals and businesses struggle to cut through the noise and get real results. But listen up, because LinkedIn is full of opportunities just waiting for you. It's your chance to connect with industry leaders and generate leads and establish your brand as a force to reckon with. The question is, how do you make yourself stand out? LinkedIn has over 1 billion members spread across 200 countries, with the highest user rate in the US, reaching over to 214 million users. That's a massive pool of potential connections waiting to be discovered. In this video, we will share the best strategies to help you shine on LinkedIn and turn those connections into opportunities.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
So without further ado, let's get started. First is, start with awesome profile picture. To excel in LinkedIn marketing, start with an awesome profile picture. Your profile picture is the first thing people notice, so make sure it's high quality and professional. Choose a clear, friendly headshot with a good lighting and plain background. Avoid busy backgrounds or distractions. Smile and dress in a way that reflects your industry. This makes you look approachable and credible. Avoid using selfies or casual photos. Instead, opt for a professional look that showcases your personality and expertise. Remember, a great profile picture sets a positive tone and makes a strong first impression, helping you stand out and attract more connections and opportunities to LinkedIn. Next up we have is craft a clear and compelling headline. Writing a clear and compelling headline is essential for LinkedIn. Your headline is the important thing that people notice on your profile, so make it engaging. Instead of just listing your job title, add something that shows your skills and what you offer. For example, instead of saying marketing manager, you could say marketing manager / helping business grow with smart campaigns. Use simple language and focus on what makes you unique. Include keywords related to industry to help people finding you in searches. Your headline should be concise but tell a story about who you are and what you do. Think about what sets you apart from others in your field and highlight that. Remember, focus on what you do, not just what you are. Instead of marketing manager, say lead growth mastermind for e-commerce brands. You can say like that. Next is leverage strategic keywords. Keywords help people find you when they search for specific skills, industries, or job titles. To get started, think about the words and phrases that you are relevant to in your field and include them throughout your profile. Start by adding keywords to your headline, as this is one of the most visible parts of your profile. Next, sprinkle these keywords naturally into your summary, experience, skills, endorsement sections, etc. Use terms that potential employers or clients might search for, such as digital marketing, project management, or software development. Avoid stuffing your profile with too many keywords, as this can look unnatural and be off-putting. Instead, focus on integrating them smoothly into your descriptions and achievements. Strategic use of keywords make your profile more searchable, helping you connect with the right people and opportunities. By using keywords effectively, you increase your chances of appearing in search results and attracting attention from recruiters and potential business partners on LinkedIn. So this was about leveraging the strategic keywords. Now let's understand how to boost your professional visibility. To stand out and enhance your presence on LinkedIn, it's crucial to implement effective strategies that can significantly boost your professional visibility. Here's how you can achieve this. First is complete your profile. Start by fully completing your LinkedIn profile. Add a personal photo, a compelling headline, a detailed summary, and your full work experience. Ensure you include your education, skills, and endorsements. A complete profile not only looks professional but also increases your chances of appearing in searches. Next is keyword optimization. Use strategic keywords throughout your profile. Think about what terms recruiters or clients might use to find someone with your skills. Integrate these keywords into your headline, summary, experience, and skill section, as we told earlier. Next is engage with LinkedIn groups. Join and actively participate in LinkedIn groups related to your industry. Share insights, comment on posts, and start discussions. Engaging with groups helps you connect with like-minded professionals, stay updated on industry trends, and increase your visibility. Next is incorporate backlinks. Include links to your LinkedIn profile on your social media profiles, email signature, and personal website. Backlinks from reputable sources can boost your profile visibility and drive more traffic to it, helping you connect with more professionals and potential clients. Another thing you can do is publish LinkedIn articles. So writing and publishing articles on LinkedIn is a great way to showcase your expertise. Share your knowledge on topics relevant to your industry. Well-written articles can position you as a thought leader, engage your network, and attract new connections who value your insights. So this was about boosting your professional visibility. Now coming to content marketing on LinkedIn. Here's how to mix and match different content formats to captivate your audience and become a total LinkedIn rockstar. First is start with sharing articles. Regularly share interesting and relevant articles on LinkedIn. These can be your own writings or articles from other sources that provide value to your network. Sharing articles help you stay active and engage with the connections. Next is write post. Writing your LinkedIn post to share your thoughts and insights. These posts can be short and to the point, offering valuable information or asking through provoking questions. Consistent posting keeps you on your network's radar. Alright, next is create videos to address common challenges. Make short videos addressing common challenges in your industry. Videos are engaging and can explain complex ideas in an easy to understand way. They can help you connect with your audience on a more personal level. Alright, next is share insights and industry trends. Stay updated with the latest trends in your field and share these insights with your network. This positions you as someone who is knowledgeable and up to date with industry changes. Next is guides and how-to tutorials you can add. So create guides and how-to tutorials that help your network solve specific problems. These can be step-by-step articles or videos that provide practical advice. This type of content is highly valuable and shareable. Next thing is interactive post. Post interactive content like polls or questions to encourage engagement. This not only boosts your visibility but also helps you understand your network's opinions and preferences. Next up is storytelling. So share stories related to your professional experience. Storytelling is a powerful way to connect with your audience on an emotional level. Personal stories can make your content more relatable and memorable. Comment on other posts, engage with others by commenting on their post. Share your thoughts, add value to the conversation, and show support. This interaction helps build relationships and increases your visibility within your network. By using these strategies, you can effectively use content marketing on LinkedIn to build your personal brand, engage with your network, and attract new opportunities. Alright, next up we have is networking. So networking on LinkedIn is a powerful way to grow your professional connections and enhance your business reach. Here are some key strategies to effectively network on LinkedIn. First is personalize your connection request. When sending a connection request, avoid the generic default message. Instead, personalize your request by mentioning how you know them. Reference a shared group mutual connection or a recent event you both attended. Then you can also do why you want to connect. Like explain your reason for wanting to connect. This could be to discuss a common interest, seek advice, or explore collaboration opportunities. Then another thing you can do is compliment or insight. Show genuine interest by complimenting their work, sharing an insightful comment about their post, or mentioning a recent achievement they have had. Alright? And one more thing you can do is respect their time. So networking is about building relationship and respecting the other person's time. It's crucial. Here's how you can do that. Be concise and clear. When reaching out, keep your message brief and to the point. Busy professionals appreciate clarity. The next is schedule calls wisely. If you are requesting a call or meeting, suggest a few time slots and be flexible. Acknowledge their busy schedule and offer to work around it. Then next is follow up respectfully. If you don't get a response immediately, wait a reasonable amount of time before following up. A polite follow-up message shows persistence without being pushy. Alright, so this was about networking. Now let's understand about engage with the community. Engaging with the LinkedIn community is super important for your marketing. Start by joining groups that interest you and get involved in the discussions. It's a great way to meet new people. Comment on posts to add your thoughts and get noticed. Share useful content regularly to keep your audience engaged. When people comment on your post, make sure to reply to build relationships. Use LinkedIn polls to get feedback and engage with audience. Host LinkedIn live sessions for real-time chats. Personalize your connection requests and celebrate your connection's milestones. Share user-generated content to create a community feel. Keep posting regularly to stay on the top of the mind and maintain a steady presence. Alright, so the paid marketing options, you can also opt, it's as per your choice. So paid marketing on LinkedIn can help you reach a large and more targeted audience. Here's a quick rundown of the options available. First is sponsored content. So sponsored content promotes your post to a large audience than just your followers. These appear directly in LinkedIn feed, looking like regular posts but with a sponsored label. This is great for increasing visibility, driving traffic to your website and generating leads. Since it appears in the feed, it blends in the organic content, making it less intrusive. Next paid marketing is text ads. So text ads are simple ads that appear on the right sidebar or at the top of the LinkedIn pages. They include headline, brief text, and a small image or logo. These ads are cost effective and can quickly boost your brand's visibility. They are ideal for driving traffic to your website or landing pages. Then next is sponsored email. So sponsored email allows you to send a personalized message directly to the LinkedIn user inboxes. These messages only get delivered when users are active, ensuring high open rates. This is perfect for personalized outreach, event invitations, or special promotions. It feels more personal and direct compared to other ad types. The next is dynamic ads. So dynamic ads personalize the ad content for each viewer, incorporating their profile data like name and photo. They appear on the right-hand side of the LinkedIn. These ads catch attention by making users feel like the ad is specially for them. They are effective for increasing engagement, followers, or driving traffic to a particular page. Then there is video ads. So video ads appear in the LinkedIn feed and promote your video content. They can be used for storytelling, showcasing products, or sharing customer testimonials. Video are engaging and can convey your information in shorter time. They are great for building brand awareness and driving deeper engagement. Alright, so that's it for the video on best LinkedIn marketing strategies. Thanks for watching our video on the best LinkedIn marketing strategies. We hope these tips help you stand out, connect with industry leaders, and grow your business. Remember, LinkedIn is all about building meaningful relationships and showcasing your expertise. By optimizing your profile, sharing valuable content, and engaging with your network, you can turn LinkedIn into a powerful tool for your professional success.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.